José Moreno Carbonero was born March 24, 1858, died April 15, 1942. He was a Spanish painter and decorator, a prominent member of the Málaga School of Painting. He is considered one of the last great history painters of the 19th century. He was a celebrated portrait painter who enjoyed the patronage of Madrid's high society. He also created genre scenes and some landscapes, vedutas and still lifes. Moreno Carbonero was widely recognized, both nationally and internationally, during his lifetime. Moreno Carbonero devoted himself in the first decades of his career to genre painting. His genre paintings took as their subject the daily life of people or scenes from the Spanish Golden Age of literature, and especially the story of Don Quixote.